Hello everyone, welcome to this new series dedicated to AP Precalculus. My name is Rami and I'm excited to guide you through some key concepts and problems that you will encounter on the AP Precalculus exam. In this series, we will break down various AP Precalculus questions step by step, making complex topics easier to understand. Whether you are a beginner or just looking to reinforce your skills, this series is designed to help you feel confident and prepared. So let's dive in and start tackling those AP Precalculus problems together. Once you open the Blue Book application and sign in using your College Board student account, you will then navigate to the Practice and Prepare section. From there, you can access a variety of test previews and practice materials to help you get ready. This is Section 1, Part A, no calculator allowed in this section. Let K, W, and Z be positive constants. Which of the following is equivalent to log to the base 10 between the bracket kz over w to the power 2? It's a very important thing, positive constant. This is very important, positive constant. Otherwise, this will not work. We know from the log rule, if we have log and a to the power b, that equals, you can take b outside the log. Then it will be b log a. This is the first thing we can use. The second thing, we know that the rule log a multiplied by b equals to log a plus log b. That will help us in solving this problem. Let us write log 10 kz over w to the power 2. That equals to log kz negative log to the base 10 w to the power 2. We can take this outside, and from the rule, this one is equals to this one log k to the base 10 plus log z to the base 10 negative 2 log w to the base 10, which represent the answer letter C.